How to register for the FIITJEE Talent Reward Exam. First step is to go to FIITJEE.com. There you will see a red colored box at the top right corner displaying Register now for FTRE 2024. You have to click on it. This will take you to the next page asking for your basic details. Please fill in all mandatory fields which are indicated by a red asterisk. You have to select the current class you're studying in. Next, you will see three options under test mode, namely online, offline and CBT. So you have to select the mode you prefer. Fill in all the details such as where you wish to study at FIITJEE. For example, if I wish to study at a FIITJEE Study Center, so I will choose that option. Next, fill in the program name, the program that you wish to opt, test city, test center, study center. Now comes the mobile number, which is a very crucial step because this mobile number must be available with you at that moment so that you could update the OTP. This will take you to the next page asking for your personal details such as name of the student, email address, date of birth, gender, nationality. You have to fill in all the details step by step. Next, you have to fill your address, country, state, city, PIN code. Make sure to tick the box by signing up you agree to our term and conditions and then click on submit. This will take you to the last stage of registration, payment by selecting your preferred mode. Once the payment is done, you can download the hall ticket.